Okay, I'm back again, and I wanted to just quickly stop by and share something with you. You know, whenever you're putting together a emergency preparedness plan, it can change from month to month, sometimes year to year, depending on your circumstances and needs. I have quite a few of these Pelican cases, and I have different makes and models for different reasons. I love Pelican. I bought my first Pelican case roughly 36 years ago, and it's still with me to this day, unharmed, looking good. Now, this particular case here is the Pelican iM3075. So I wanted something more secure when I'm going to my off-grid property. Something I can put locks on. I could chain it down to whatever it may be sitting on. So let me share with you really quick what's inside this Pelican case. Okay, I went ahead and zoomed in a little bit because I want to share something with you. So this case has some important items in it, and it's made specifically for what is in here. Now, what you see right away, you see there's a large pot here, and that pot sits inside of a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Both of these are cast iron. I absolutely love these pots. Now, over to the left here is a Palmolive. I forget what model stove this is. I have several of them, but this is made by a company called Palmolive. This is a wood-burning stove. Down below there, where you can't see, I have the Palmolive X6 Pro dome tent. So it's a very large tent. And right on top of that, I have a sort of like an outdoor small table, stainless steel table. It's very small, and it's made by One Tigress. I got those a long time ago. Now over to the far left there, that's a stainless steel 2.25 gallon water filtration system, and that's made by Membrane Solution. And over to the middle here, you have some fat wood, just to help fires get started. And over here, I have the Solo stove. And I will not be using this to cook on, actually I'm going to use it to just create a little bonfire when I need one in small places. Okay? And over here, I have a kerosene lantern, and that lantern is great. I've got several of them, so I love that lantern. Now, farther over to the rear here, I have 3 different nice sets. And this is so when I'm hunting, when I'm out hunting, the goal here is to hunt for food rather than to use your own food. And we don't consume flesh, so we're talking about fish of such. And so I can fillet the fish, I can do all the things that I need to do. And with all the vegetables on the property, we can just do different things. And if we're on the property, we're set. If we're not on the property and we're out and about, or if an SHTF situation happens, well, we have everything. And this is just one case of many, and I'll share those other cases with you over time. And right underneath here, I have, by Membrane Solutions, some more portable water filtration devices here. Underneath here, I have a lot of fire starting material, a ton of it. Okay, everything's in this bag, and this is some fire starting material here, and I have some room to put some other things because this case here, it has a deep inset, and I don't know if you could see that. So it has a deep inset, so it allows me to put some other things on top. I do have cushion padding that goes here that holds everything solid. It doesn't move anyways. You may find this slide around a little bit, but that's about it. But other than that, this is what I decided to do to better secure my items, especially when traveling, and especially from people who may have wandering hands. And As you know, Pelican cases, they're just no substitution. You can buy cheaper cases. I'm not into buying cheaper cases. I've been with Pelican for so many years. I trust them because I've used them. And I've used them for reasons other than just this. Before a lot of this took place with a lot of YouTubers. Take care. I hope this inspires you to get out and camp. Other than that, I'm out.